Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Theathering shaft when the screws that hold the tail grips are either stripped or when they were assembled they used too much Loctite where they're not budging, they don't move at all. So what you're going to need is I usually use a 1/8 drill bit, and you got the head unit. I use this small vise, and here's a little bit of aluminum foil which I'm going to put between the vise here. It's just to prevent from scratching the head or the blade grip. So you put it there, tighten it. Then I use a little guide made out of plastic from actually a pen. Since it's a paper made pen, so I cut a little piece. And this is just to put in here. Just when you're drilling, if you go a little bit sideways, if you lose a little bit of control, you're not going to damage the blade grips. So let me get the drill. Use just a cheap Ryobi drill. Oh, there's one important thing that I forgot. We're going to need to use the socket on the other end to prevent it from spinning. Okay, so you hold that on the other end, and let's see if we got this working. Okay, a little bit came out already of the head. So a little more to go. Okay, just keep looking. Okay, keep getting these filings off. Okay, not yet. Yeah, just gotta slow and look at it because you don't want to damage the truss bearing. So there's still got a washer in between, so it should be alright. Okay, I think it just went through. Yeah. So the head is actually, part of the head is here now. So this is the screw head. Now this might have to give it a little more. Where's my little guide? Okay, put the guide back in there, and just a little bit more now. Yep. Okay, and there you go. So this came apart undamaged, and now we should be able to, yeah, here's the let's take it out and see. Now let's take, let me see, where's my